Hello, my name is Kevin Vada. I'm the head trainer and MAT specialist here at Better Body Fitness, located just outside Tampa Bay, Florida. And today we're going to be talking to you about how to get rid of the love handles on women. Some of the things that you're going to need for this are going to be things like a medicine ball or a counterweight, anything that you can do to add resistance to the routine, as well as an open area to do the exercise. This is a topic that comes up all the time in the gym, and you've heard a number of different things. And really, there's really one thing that you really want to take into consideration when coming to get rid of the love handles. And that's going to be diet. Controlling how many calories you consume and how many calories you actually expend throughout the day. It's going to be a huge part. A lot of times you'll hear, do a certain exercise, do a certain crunch, and that's actually going to get rid of those love handles. But when it really comes down to it, it's all about those calories in versus calories out. But I am going to demonstrate a really good calorie burner, if you will, exercise that you can incorporate into your routine. It's also going to target those muscles, those oblique muscles. I'm going to have Kristen come in, and all we're using today, again, is an open space. We're going to use just a nice light medicine ball. Kristen, go ahead out into the lunge stance. Good. And what I'm going to have Kristen do, and then come back up. Just standing. Good. What I'm going to have Kristen do, you're going to actually step out into that lunge, drop down, and then I'm going to have you rotate all the way to the right for me. So you step out, drop down, and then rotate. Good. Then come back and back up. Good. Now we're going to alternate legs. And then rotate to the left. Great. And then back up. And then to the right again. And rotate. Good. Excellent. Thank you. So now one thing you want to remember as you're doing this exercise is as you rotate, you want to be taking a nice deep breath out and really squeeze and contract those abdominal muscles. That's everything for us here. Thanks again. This has been a tip on how to decrease love handles on women.